Good girl. Good. They have bowls that are separated so you can do 2 flavors. Did you know that? Ready for a bite? Here you go. Bite. Good. Hang on, let's get that off your lip right there. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah.
Do you like it, Marley?
You need to go get her pictures taken professionally. You haven't done that yet.
I know. Do you like it?
More. 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 Good girl. Can't believe she's doing that. That's so good.
You like squash?
More. More. More.
Oh, good job.
He said, what percentile of weight is she, did he say?
I think he just said above average or something. That she must be nursing well, he said.
Yes, she is.
Is that good?
Good. Good girl. Good girl.